Hey guys, what's up? Caleb with Black Pearl Media here, and I'm doing a quick video to show you guys that you can drive a rear mount turbocharger in the rain with no issue. As you can see here, it is raining quite a bit, and I'm about to make a 1.5 hour drive back to my house, and I think we're gonna be able to do it just fine. All right guys, so I got the camera set up here. The car is on. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this entire trip home, and it's gonna be an 1.5 hours of a drive with back roads, with highways, and I'm gonna be doing highway speeds of 80 miles an hour. So let's see if I make it home without exploding. Woo! She's still there. She's all good. Here, the car did great. An 1.5 hour drive here in the rain. It was pouring pretty heavy for most of the trip. It got a little bit lighter there at the end. But we also went over a lot of bumps and potholes here in the Hartford area, which if you're from the area, you know it's pretty bad there. And no damage was done, nothing hit, nothing clanked. And water is not really an issue, guys. You should take precautions. You know, obviously don't go through any massive puddles if you can, but if you do, go very, very, very slow. And in these kind of wet weather conditions, you should stay at a safe speed. And, you know, I didn't have to get into boost very much, so no big deals there. And also, I run a hydrophobic sock over the intake cover, which I will link in the description below. You can click on that link and just buy it straight from Amazon right then and there if you need something like that. But I think that really helps. But I hope this proves to you guys that you can do a rear mount turbocharging system and not be worried about sucking up any water, debris, or it being too low. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We're a growing channel here. I post weekly, and I will see you on the next one.